Okay. State whether the collection is a well-defined sets. Number one, a subject in grade 7. Okay, is this a well-defined set? The answer is yes, because it is clear whether a subject is taught in grade 7. There are 8 subjects all in all. We have Filipino, English, Math, Science, Araling Panlipunan, ESP, TLE, and MAPI. Okay, number 2, a popular actor. Is this a well-defined set? Okay, the answer is no, because some people may consider an actor popular while others do not. Okay, next example. The set of all multiples of 5. Okay, is this a well-defined set? The answer is yes. The set is well-defined. Numbers that are multiples of 5 can easily be differentiated from the others. Okay, next. The set of all large numbers. Is this a well-defined set? The answer is no. The set is not well-defined, since some people will have different opinions on which numbers are large. Okay, the next is number 5. The set of good writers. Okay, is this a well-defined set? The answer is no. The set is not well-defined. Some people may include different writers in the set. Okay, last example. The set of nice people in your class. Is this a well-defined set? Okay, the answer is no. The set is not well-defined because there is no common agreement as to what is meant by nice people. Okay, so let us summarize now our answer. Well-defined sets, we have numbers 1 and number 3. Not a well-defined set, we have numbers 2, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so another example of a well-defined set, we have, for example, the set of counting numbers. The set of whole numbers. The set of counting numbers less than 5. Okay, those are example of a well-defined set.